Yep. Where are we going?
Ginger factory.
Lila said this is where the gingerbread man ran away to the ginger factory.
It's my shows.
Your little ginger hair showing. Theo, take your head off so you can see your ginger hair. Hello! Are you a gingerbread man?
So this story begins about 100 years ago, when some fresh ginger was brought to the Sunshine Coast. The locals liked eating it, and the farmers realised it would grow really well here without climatic conditions. So they began farming ginger for market, for the stuff that we cook and eat.
Farmers with 25 pounds, 2 wooden vats and 14 tonnes of raw ginger is today the world's largest producer of processed confectionery ginger. The year was 1941, and at the time, all the world's processed ginger was made in China. But with the onset of World War II, this supply was interrupted, leaving a gap in the market that 5 Buderim farmers took the opportunity to fill. Plans hatched, resulting in the Buderim Ginger Growers Cooperative being formed. Their first ginger factory was situated in a disused blacksmith shop, but later moved to the sites now occupied by a marketplace in Buderim. And although these 5 farmers didn't know it then, they were seeing the birth of a multi-million-dollar industry, fertilisation and sun protection, until early harvest ginger plants grow at a spectacular rate. So, in just a matter of months, the fields are covered in dense green foliage, about a metre high on rise.
Is that a good tour? Go try some ginger now? Is it good?
Is it spicy?
Is a vegetarian looking at plate of food?
Yeah.
Do it again. You ready for the train? What did you look?
Mommy, you sit next to me, Mom.
You ready for the train? You excited, Theo?
Much more than a train ride, it's a step back in time. For the safety and comfort of all passengers, we ask that you remain seated, keeping arms and legs inside the carriages at all times.
It's a
mouse, fox, owl, snake, and of course, the Gruffalo. Bring the characters to life by using the free augmented reality Gruffalo Spotters app. The carriages you're riding on are similar to the trams which carried holidaymakers to the coast before local roads were built in 1926. They're being pulled by Moreton, one of Queensland's original coal-fired cane locomotives, presenting the Ginger Factory's first collaborative art installation, the Rainbrella Project. Ahoy there, shipmates! On your right-hand side, you can see the large green building, which is home to the Overboard boat ride. You'll find the entrance to this great adventure at the Creamery. Go aboard with the Gingerbread Man on this fantastic voyage around the world. Let you see right inside a real beehive and learn about one of nature's hardest working creatures. Did you know that bees like to dance? And how many bees does it take to make a jar of honey? Learn this and other fascinating bee facts by joining our next bee show.
Down here. Facing the train.
The interruption to supply of processed ginger from China during World War II provided the opportunity for growers in the Buderim area to form the Buderim Ginger Growers Cooperative.
No, don't move it. Say hi, Mr. Gruffalo. We found him in the woods. Okay, come on, guys. No, I knew you were. Yeah, but I was fighting for you. Wow, look at the rainbow.
Put the wires up on top.
Was it good for you? Oh, yummy. Do you like it?
And now I can save it.
Yeah, but put some more buttons on, eh? Fresher cordial. Lila's got a ginger beer, you've got gingerbread men, and we've got some authentic jamu shots. And what else? Some dark chocolate ginger.